So you went Toyota because they're reliable and stuff, and you weren't really enthusiastic with all of the stuff that you saw going on with Ram, right? Even though Ram has recently been named number one in quality, that was pre inline six Hurricane engine. Now, the Rams are having a ton of issues, but so are the twin turbo V6 Toyotas. And, anyways, let's discuss it because brand new ones have dropped over $20,000 in value like that.
For the longest time. Whoa. For the longest
Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Represent, gotta represent.
Now I know some people are going to say, TK, you're off base here. You're talking about different trims of the Toyota Tundra. I'm talking about Tundras in general. Like normally, Toyotas don't sit on a lot, but it's sitting right now. People that are not buying, they're not buying Tundras, and they're not buying Tacomas. And what I find very interesting is, let's say you have a 2024 Tundra and you're having, issues with the engine, or maybe it's flawless and you haven't had any problem, but you decide, I want to trade it in and get the new Land Cruiser. Well, the dealer is trying to push out 2024s and 2025s right now, but they won't take your 2024 in trade. They just won't do it. In fact, I've got a customer here that said, quote, let me open this up, called a Toyota dealer late last week and actually spoke to the GM about a used 2020 Toyota Land Cruiser. God is my witness. His response was, I'm not interested in buying your Tundra. He did recommend I try CarMax, Carvana, and or a private sale. I said I would lose the trade tax credit that way, but he wouldn't budge and stood firm. He had absolutely no interest in my 24 Pro-Built 324. I suspect this trend will aggressively get worse in the upcoming days or weeks. And he's right. Carvana was taking these Tundras in trade. They're not now. What they did was they were massively depreciating them because of the issues with the engines. And now they're just like, we don't want them at all. And I mean, it's funny. I mean, because, we see the Toyota guys all the time coming for the Mopar guys talking about, haha, y'all's vehicles are crap build quality, crap this. I don't know, man. Toyota's build quality in the last 24 months has not been great, from Supras falling apart to Tacomas falling apart on the dealer lot. Literally like panels and, what do you call it? Wide body kits, all types of crap falling, grills falling out. The Tacoma right now is a disaster. The Tundra, unfortunately, because Toyota had been forced because of these BS cafe standards to go to this twin turbo 6-cylinder engine, it has been nothing but a disaster for Toyota. And I'm hoping that they are one of the organizations or companies that challenges the EPA after the Chevron decision now to say, hey, guess what? You know what? You can't fine us. We're going back to our V8s, because they literally have 2 model years now of their highest end truck that none of their dealers, once they sell them, they're not taking them back. You could buy one, bring it into the lot the next day. They're not taking it on trade. They're not doing it. That should tell you a lot about that truck and how serious that recall is, in the fact that they can't fix it. They know what's wrong with it, but to be able to sort it out and fix it, nothing yet. So I'd love to know what you Toyota guys think, though. Let me know in the comments below. How do you feel about your trucks basically being worthless, or the fact that you paid, say 80 grand for that truck, 75 grand for that truck, and now, Carvana was offering you 50. or 49, or CarMax offered you 45,000 for your truck. That's like BMW level first year depreciation, and that's a Toyota. Oof, that had to hurt.